An attorney representing families in this case fears the abrupt closure may be an attempt to avoid transparency, and he says the former employee worked at this location for 2 years longer than the company acknowledged.
There was information put up by BrightPath indicating that he had only worked there since January of 2022. That is untrue. He has been working at the facility since January 2020, although technically there were some ownership changes, but that doesn't take away the fact that he was there, and we know what he's done now.
Whether or not that lapse in accuracy was intentional, Freeman law firm attorney Eric Schoenberg says it gave some families a false sense of security. The rooms are empty, the toys idle in buildings 7 and 8 at BrightPath Avon Child Care Center. It was a Saturday, but it's going to stay that way after the center closed 2 of its 4 buildings 3 weeks earlier than planned on Friday. This comes after even more sexual assault and risk of injury to a child charges were brought against former employee Jan Carlos Barrios Otero. Schoenberg says the number of victims still continues to increase.
We are still hearing from more and more families that have been affected by the situation. In the last 72 hours, I've heard some of the most disturbing stories that I have yet.
Attorneys have asked both current and former families and employees at this location to come forward if they have any information about this case.